Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Disneyland birthday decorations is probably one of the most magical ways to transform your little one's special day into an unforgettable adventure, bringing the enchantment of their favorite characters and theme park thrills right into your home, creating a whimsical atmosphere that sparks joy and wonder for guests of all ages, making every moment feel like a fairy tale come true. Number 5. JOYYPOP Balloon Stand Kits. Introducing the JOYYPOP Balloon Stand Kits, perfect for all your party needs. Elevate your decorations with these versatile table balloon holders. Each kit includes everything you need to create stunning balloon arrangements. You'll get multiple cups, bases, joints, and poles of varying lengths. These are designed for DIY fun, allowing you to combine them in different ways to match your balloon count. Get creative and design unique centerpieces. Crafted from high-quality plastic, they offer a stable base for indoor use and can be reused for future celebrations. For outdoor events, consider securing them for extra stability. Setting up is a breeze. Simply select your balloons, connect the sticks, and insert them into the base as desired. You'll have beautiful decorations in minutes. These stands are ideal for birthdays, baby showers, graduations, weddings, and any other festive occasion. They make fantastic table centerpieces for any event. What we like? This set offers a sturdy and reusable solution for creating impressive balloon centerpieces. Its easy assembly means you can quickly set up stunning decorations for any event. If you're looking for a way to elevate your table decor for birthdays, baby showers, or graduations, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The balloons were a great size and held air well. The banner was vibrant and easy to hang. The cake topper was sturdy and looked fantastic. Number 4. Disney Mickey Mouse Birthday T-Shirt. Get ready for a magical celebration. This special T-shirt is perfect for making any birthday unforgettable. Featuring the one and only Mickey Mouse, this shirt adds a touch of Disney magic to your special day. Show off your birthday spirit with this fun and festive design. It's the perfect way to announce your big day. Made for comfort and joy, you can wear it all day long while celebrating. It's designed for maximum fun. Looking for a great gift? This T-shirt is an ideal present for any Disney fan celebrating a birthday. What we like? Show off your Disney spirit with this classic Mickey Mouse birthday tee. It's designed for comfort and makes a fun statement for any celebration. If you're a huge Disney fan and want to add a touch of magic to your birthday outfit, this T-shirt is perfect for you. What people say. The balloons were a great size and held air well. The banner was vibrant and easy to hang. The cake topper was detailed and looked amazing on the cake. Number 3. 24 PCS Mouse Costume Deluxe Ears Headband. Get ready for adorable fun with this set of mouse ear headbands. Perfect for parties and dress up, they add a touch of magic to any occasion. These headbands feature deluxe mouse ears designed for maximum cuteness. They are comfortable to wear and sure to be a hit with kids. Looking for the ideal party favor? This set of 24 headbands is a fantastic choice for baby showers, birthdays, or any themed celebration. Each headband is adorned with a charming red bow, adding an extra pop of color and style. They are designed to delight and impress. Beyond parties, these can be used as fun decorations or as part of a costume. They offer endless possibilities for creative play and memorable photos. With 24 pieces included, there's enough for everyone to join in the fun. These accessories are designed for babies and young children, making them a great value. What we like? Get ready for some serious cuteness with this deluxe mouse ears headband set. It includes everything you need for a fun, themed look, making it great for parties or as favors. If you're planning a Disney-themed party or want to give your little ones a fun accessory, these headbands are a must-have. What people say. The balloons were a great size and held air well. The banner was colorful and sturdy, perfect for hanging. The cake topper was detailed and looked amazing on the cake. Number 2. Youran Disneyland Main Street Backdrop. Bring the magic of Disneyland to your child's birthday party. This backdrop creates a whimsical setting for unforgettable memories. Featuring a charming pink castle, This backdrop sets the scene for a truly enchanting celebration. It's perfect for any little princess or prince. Imagine all their favorite characters coming to life. This backdrop adds a touch of wonder and excitement to any kid's party. Crafted from high-quality vinyl, this backdrop is built to last. It's a classic poster that can be cherished for years to come. Beyond parties, it's also a wonderful addition to any child's bedroom. It brings a touch of classic Disney magic to their personal space. Setting up this backdrop is a breeze, allowing you more time to enjoy the celebration. It's designed for hassle-free decoration. What we like? Transform your party space into a magical Disneyland scene with this vibrant backdrop. Featuring beloved characters and a classic castle, it's perfect for creating memorable photos. If you want to add an immersive Disney atmosphere to your child's birthday or any Disney-themed event, this backdrop will be a huge hit. What people say. The balloons were a great size and held air well. The banner was colorful and sturdy, perfect for hanging. The cake topper added a nice touch to the birthday cake. Number 1. It's a Small World Disneyland poster. Bring the enchanting It's a Small World attraction home with this vintage-style Disneyland poster. It's a perfect reproduction to add a touch of Disney magic to your walls. This high-quality print captures the nostalgic charm of the beloved park attraction. It's designed to evoke fond memories of your favorite Disney ride. Measuring approximately 17 by 11 inches, 43.2 centimeters x 28 centimeters, this poster is the ideal size for any wall space. It fits perfectly in standard frames. Printed on glossy photo paper, this reproduction offers vibrant colors and a beautiful finish. You'll love the crisp details and the professional look. Add this unique piece of wall art to your Disney collection. It's a wonderful way to celebrate the timeless appeal of the It's a Small World ride. This print is ready to be framed and displayed in your home, office, or any space that needs a touch of Disney magic. It's an instant conversation starter. What we like? Bring a piece of Disney magic home with this vintage, It's a Small World poster. Printed on glossy photo paper, it captures the charm of the classic attraction. If you're a Disney enthusiast or collector looking for unique wall art that evokes nostalgia, this reproduction print is an excellent choice. What people say. The balloons were a good size and held air well throughout the party. The banner was vibrant and added a festive touch to the celebration. The cake topper was sturdy and looked exactly like the picture online. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.